What is up, YouTube? So today I did this look inspired by Bratz. It was a trend, I believe, like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I'm late. I've actually tried filming this look 3 or 4 times now, and I never was satisfied with how it came out. And I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do an inspired look. I'm not gonna try to look like a Bratz doll. I'm just gonna pick and choose which features I really want to do. And I feel like the lips, I definitely feel like they're Bratz inspired. I wanted to keep the thin eyebrows, have the cat eye, try to do a small nose, very hard on me. This is the look I came up with, and I'm super happy with it, and I'm so glad that I filmed a tutorial on it. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, normally whenever I do a look, I always do my brows first, just because I feel like it takes the longest to do on my face. But today we're gonna do the eyes first, just because for this look, I'm not too sure how I want to do my brows yet. So for eyeshadow today, I'm most likely gonna go through the Morphe James Charles palette. I really like this palette because there's a lot of options in here, and just makes it easier to have it all in one palette. I've actually tried to film this look 3 times already. I did film it like as a Halloween look on my Instagram. Even then, it wasn't my favorite look that I did, and I wasn't really all about it when I did it. I'm not gonna do it the same way that I did it for Halloween. I'm gonna kind of give it a more, I guess, realistic look, like as if you would see one in person. I'm going to prime the lids, and I guess I'm going to carve the brows underneath. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this shape for the brows. Okay, and I'm going to use my finger to help blend out the concealer. We're going to keep it neutral, so I'm going to go in with B. Nope, that's not it. Punch Me. I'm just going to take that in the crease. I know I'm taking that eyeshadow pretty high, but we're gonna do a cut crease, and I want my eyes to look bigger. To define the crease a little bit, I'm gonna take T. I do want to take the eyeshadow all the way in to the eye. Then using the brush from earlier, I'm just gonna help blend out. Now I'm going to cut the crease. We're gonna place it right near the lash line. Look up. Then we have a cut crease. Alright. So to set the lid, we're just going to take canvas. I'm just going to use that to set the concealer. With a more precise brush, we're going to go back in with T. And we're going to define the crease. Then I'm going to go back in, kind of clean up. And then I'm going to blend out that line a little bit, just so that it's harsh right by the crease. We're going to go in with eyeliner. Maybelline Eye Studio Blackest Black gel liner. So I kind of stamp it to where I want the line to go. And then there's a little, it's a little too. I'm just going to see where this eye is going. I kind of just made the line a little bit thinner, still kept the length. I do kind of want to over exaggerate now that we know how this is coming. Filling it. I'm just going to kind of deepen this outer V. I'm just going to use Benny. So we're going to kind of give it some shape. Let's see, so right here, so that's looking, it's looking a bit better. So I'm just gonna blend. I'm going to apply a lash because I'm curious to see if this is what I'm looking for. I think so. So now I'm going to do this eye off camera, and I will come back and we will do the face together. Eyes are done, brows are on. For me, the brows look very sharp, thin, cartoonish, the brows we're going for. So now we're gonna go on to the face. I'm gonna set my face, well, I'm gonna spray my face first. Then for primer, I'm going to use the Benefit Professional. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I did do a first impression on this foundation in my video on Tuesday, so if you have not checked that out, it will be right here. I kind of lay out my thoughts and what I think about the foundation in that video. But we're going to use it today. It's a really good match for me right now, and it is a full coverage foundation. I'm going to use the Morphe M439 to blend this out. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Neutral. I'm going to use a brush to blend it out. This is just a small tapered brush from e.l.f. I'm going to contour the face, so I'm going to use NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in Walnut. And I'm going to start applying it to my cheeks. I'm just going to use the same foundation brush, and I'm just going to help blend this out. I am going to set my face now, and I'm just going to use the e.l.f. blotting powder to set my face. I did also do a review on this in that video on Tuesday. It definitely seems like a translucent setting powder, like in a compact form, not like a powder foundation. So now we're going to contour the face, and I'm going to use my Lorac Pro Contour Palette. Let's do the nose first. So I'm going to go in with light contour, and I'm going to make this nose as skinny as possible. So I'm baking around the nose, and what this does is it helps to clean up of any contour shade if I don't want it to be where it is currently. I'm helping it out. So now I'm going to take medium contour, and I'm going to contour these cheeks. I'm going to try and snatch it. And I'm just going to blend this out a bit. Then with the e.l.f. powder, with a sponge, I'm just going to cut just a bit. So for the under eyes, I am going to make it to where my eyes look a bit bigger. I'm going to take a white pencil, and I'm going to line along the waterline. It makes my eyes look a bit more bigger, just to give it more of like a doll-like. So for the inner corner, I did kind of want to do like a pop of color. So I'm going to pick up this shade. This is Hello. I'm just going to pop it right there. We're just going to move on. We're just going to leave that on, think about it. So for blush, I'm going to use the Patrick Star Powder Blush Duo with MAC Cosmetics and Take Me Home. So I'm going to highlight the nose real quick, and I'm just going to use Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Highlighter. For the lips, first I'm going to go in with Club Hopper, and I'm going to use this to shape my lips. The lips are pretty juicy. Yeah, I look like I have a mustache. But stay with me. Now I'm going to draw the bottom lip. Then I'm going to go in with Soft Spoken. This is like essentially the same lip I did on Tuesday. I feel like it's a good like blend, like a good mix of lip liners. Now I'm going to use Soft Spoken to kind of blend. Alright, then I'm going to go over with L'Oreal Color Riche Shine. I'm going to top it off with Hank & Henry's Luster Gloss in Your Mom. I like this because the shine to it isn't like a gold shine, it's like a white shine to it. Plus for this look, it's more of like a cartoonish aspect, so to kind of get that white shine on the lips, I feel like this gloss is perfect. These lips are juicy. So I feel like I just set the face, with some Smashbox primer water. And I'm just going to use Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt highlighter to highlight. So I'm going to do my hair, accessorize and all of that, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So this is the completed look inspired by the Bratz dolls. I'm really happy with how this look came out. I really like it. I wanted to do an inspired look and I feel like I achieved that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate it or do a Bratz inspired look, please tag me. I would love to see. There's been a lot of good ones, so if you want to see any others, make sure to check it out because they're pretty good. If you haven't already, please subscribe because that would mean so much to me, and I would love for you guys to come back and see many more videos that I post. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, my social media is always down below and at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.